Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here today. How are you, Emily?
I'm great, Paul. Thank you. A little sleepy today. And you? How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. Sleepy? Yes, the weather is a little gray today.
It is. It looks like rain, and that is our topic for today. We are going to talk about rainy days.
Ah, rainy days. I love that topic. It's very cozy. But first, a little message for our wonderful listeners.
Yes, if you like our channel, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Exactly. Your support is amazing. So, Emily, rainy days. Do you like the rain?
That's a good question. I think, yes, I do like the rain, but only when I am at home.
Yes, I understand. When you are warm and dry inside.
Exactly. I love to be at home on a rainy day. It feels so calm.
Calm is a good word. I feel calm too. The sound of the rain is very nice.
Oh, yes, I love the sound. The sound of the rain on the window.
Pitter-catter, pitter-patter. It's like music.
It is. It's nature's music. So, you like rainy days too?
I do. I really do. I think they're beautiful. The world looks so fresh and clean after the rain.
That's true. The trees are so green. The flowers look happy.
Yes, happy flowers. And the air smells so good.
Oh, I love that smell. The smell of rain. It's very earthy.
Yes, earthy. That's a perfect word. So, what is your favorite thing to do on a rainy day at home?
My favorite thing? I think it's reading a book.
Oh, nice. What kind of book do you like to read when it rains?
I like a good story, a happy story, or a little mystery. Nothing too sad.
A mystery sounds fun for a rainy day. It adds to the cozy feeling.
It does. I make a cup of tea, I sit on my sofa with a warm blanket, and I read my book.
That sounds perfect. A cup of tea, a blanket, and a book. What about you? What do you do?
Well, that's my number one activity. What about you, Paul? What's your perfect rainy day?
For me, it's very similar. But instead of a book, I like to watch a movie.
Ah, a movie day. That's a great idea too.
Yes, I love to watch old movies. Black and white movies, maybe.
Oh, how classic. I like that. Do you have a favorite rainy day movie?
That's a hard question. Maybe a funny movie. A comedy. I like to laugh when it's gray outside.
That's a wonderful idea. Laughter makes everything bright.
It does. So, a funny movie, and I need snacks.
Oh, snacks are very important. What kind of snacks?
Popcorn, of course. You need popcorn for a movie.
Yes, hot, buttery popcorn. Now I want popcorn.
Me too. So, popcorn is a must. And maybe some cookies?
Cookies are always a good idea. Rain or no rain.
That is very true. Do you bake cookies on a rainy day?
Sometimes I like to bake. The house smells so good when you bake cookies.
It really does. The smell of chocolate chip cookies and the smell of rain. Wow.
Wow, yes, that is a perfect combination. What about drinks? I said I like tea. What do you drink?
On a cold, rainy day, I love hot chocolate.
Oh, me too. Hot chocolate is the best.
With marshmallows?
Of course with marshmallows. The little white fluffy ones.
Yes, the best part. They melt a little in the hot chocolate.
It's so delicious. It makes me feel like a kid again.
Yes, exactly. It's a very happy drink. Do you have a favorite memory of a rainy day from when you were a child?
A rainy day memory. Yes, I do. I remember being at my grandmother's house.
Oh, that sounds sweet.
It was. It was raining a lot, and the power went out. It was dark,
Oh no, power? Was it scary?
a little at first, but my grandmother lit some candles. The house was very quiet, just the sound of the rain and the light from the candles.
That sounds magical.
It was, and we sat and she told me stories. Stories about her life, about our family.
Wow, what a special memory. No TV, no lights, just stories.
Yes, I will never forget that day. It was so simple and so beautiful. What about you, Paul? Do you have a special memory?
I do. It's not as quiet as your memory.
Oh, what is it?
I remember my brother and I, when it rained, we loved to play outside.
Outside? In the rain?
Yes, our mom would say, don't go outside. But we always did.
That sounds like fun. What did you do?
We put on our raincoats and our boots, the big rubber boots. Mine were yellow.
I had red boots. I loved my red boots.
Yellow boots are great, red boots are great, and we would go to the street and jump in the puddles.
Oh, I loved doing that. Jumping in the big puddles of water, splash.
Yes, a big splash. It was the best game. We would try to make the biggest splash.
Who was the winner?
I think my brother usually won. He was bigger. But it was so much fun. We would get all wet and muddy.
And your mom? Was she happy?
No, she was not happy. But then we would come inside, have a hot bath, and drink hot chocolate. So it was okay.
That's a wonderful memory, Paul. It's so full of joy and fun.
It is. Rainy days can be very fun, not just quiet and cozy.
That's right. It depends on what you do. Do you still go outside in the rain?
Sometimes, not to jump in puddles. But I do like to walk in the rain sometimes, with a big umbrella.
A walk in the rain can be very romantic, or very peaceful if you are alone.
It is peaceful. Everything is quiet. The people are all inside. It's just you and the sound of the rain on your umbrella.
That sounds lovely. I think I will try that next time it rains.
You should. It's very nice. What about music? Do you listen to music on a rainy day?
Oh, yes. I love listening to music when it rains.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like soft music, piano music or acoustic guitar, something very relaxing.
Yes, that fits the mood perfectly. It's like a soundtrack for the rain.
It is. It helps me to relax and think. What about you? Do you listen to music?
I do. Sometimes I listen to calm music like you, but sometimes I listen to happy, energetic music.
Really? That's interesting. Why?
Because sometimes the gray weather can make me feel a little blah.
Blah. I know that feeling.
Yes. So I put on some happy music and dance in my living room.
I love that. Dancing in your living room on a rainy day? That's fantastic.
It helps. It brings the sunshine inside.
That is a beautiful way to think about it, Paul. Bringing the sunshine inside. I will remember that.
So we have books, movies, snacks, music, memories. What else about rainy days?
What about clothes? What do you wear on a rainy day?
Ah, good one. I wear my coziest clothes, a big, soft sweater.
Me too. A sweater is a must. And warm socks.
Oh yes, warm fuzzy socks are very important. The best feeling.
It is. My feet are always cold, so I need them.
I also like to wear comfortable pants. Sweatpants, maybe? Nothing fancy.
No, it's a day for comfort, not for fancy clothes.
Exactly. Comfort is number one. What about colors? Do you wear bright colors or dark colors?
I think I wear dark colors, like gray or blue, to match the weather.
I'm the opposite. I try to wear a bright color, like a yellow sweater or a red shirt.
Ah, like bringing the sunshine inside with your music.
Yes, a little bit of color to make the day brighter.
That is such a positive way to look at it, Paul. I like that a lot.
Thank you. It helps me feel happy. So, let's think. Do you ever feel sad on a rainy day?
That's a deep question. Sometimes, yes, if it rains for many, many days.
Yes, day after day of gray skies.
It can make me feel a little bit sad or tired. I miss the sun.
I understand that. We need the sun. It gives us energy.
It does. But one rainy day is nice. A week of rainy days is a lot.
It is a lot. But then, when the sun finally comes out again, it feels extra special.
Oh, that's so true. You feel so happy to see the blue sky and the sunshine.
You appreciate it more. So even the sad, long, rainy days have a good purpose.
That's a great point. It makes the sunny days better. What about animals? Do you have a pet? What do they do on a rainy day?
I have a cat. His name is Leo.
Oh, Leo. What does Leo do?
He sleeps. That's all he does.
Cats are good at sleeping.
He is an expert. He finds the softest blanket in the house, curls up in a little ball, and sleeps all day.
That sounds like a perfect life.
I think he has the right idea. He is very cozy. Do you have a pet?
I have a dog, a golden retriever. Her name is Daisy.
Oh, a big dog. What does Daisy do? Does she sleep?
No, she has a lot of energy. She does not like the rain.
Oh, really? Why not?
Because she can't go to the park and play. She loves to run outside.
Ah, so she gets bored inside.
Very bored. She walks around the house with her ball and looks at me with sad eyes.
Oh, poor Daisy.
I know. So on a rainy day, we have to play a lot of games inside.
What kind of games?
We play fetch in the hallway. I throw her toy and she brings it back.
That's a good way to use her energy.
Yes, we do that many, many times. It's good exercise for her and for my arm.
I can imagine. It's interesting how different pets react. One sleeps, one wants to play.
It is. It shows their personalities. Leo is calm and Daisy is energetic.
So, we talked about so many things. Let's review. We have cozy activities like reading and watching movies.
Yes, and eating good snacks like popcorn and cookies.
And drinking hot tea or hot chocolate, very important.
And we have fun activities like jumping in puddles or dancing in the living room.
We can't forget our special memories with family. Those are very precious.
They are, and we can wear our most comfortable clothes, big sweaters and fuzzy socks.
And we can listen to music that is calm or happy.
Wow, we found so many things to talk about for just a rainy day.
I know. They are not boring days at all. They can be full of good things.
They really can. It's all about how you see it, your perspective.
Yes, exactly. You can see it as a gray, sad day, or you can see it as a cozy, calm, and happy day.
I choose happy and cozy.
Me too. This conversation makes me want a rainy day to happen right now.
Me too. I am ready with my book and my tea.
And I am ready with my funny movie and my popcorn.
It's so nice to talk about these simple things in life.
It is. These are the things that make us happy. Small, simple moments.
I agree 100%. Well, Paul, this was a really fun chat.
It really was, Emily. I learned a lot about your perfect rainy day.
And I learned about yours. Dancing in the living room is my new favorite idea.
You have to try it.
I will, I promise. I think our time is almost up for today.
Yes, I think it is. Time flies when you are having fun.
It really does. Before we go, we want to say a big thank you to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you so much. We love having you here with us. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about rainy days.
And we have a question for you. What do you like to do on a rainy day?
Ooh, great question. Do you like to be cozy inside, or do you like to go outside and play?
Please leave a comment below and tell us your favorite rainy day activity or your favorite rainy day memory. We would love to read your stories.
Yes, please share with us. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy and fun conversations.
And give this episode a like if you enjoyed it, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
That's right. Well, goodbye for now, Emily.
Goodbye, Paul. And goodbye, everyone. Stay cozy and see you next time.
Bye-bye.